This is a golden opportunity to clean up our rivers and seas, to deliver better value for Welsh bill payers, and to build a water system that's accountable, transparent, and designed in Wales for Wales. It's about creating a joined-up approach that puts people, nature, and future generations at the very heart of decision-making.
Here in Wales, we're particularly proud of our water. We all know that we've got beautiful rivers, lakes, reservoirs and coastal areas, but we're hearing more and more horror stories about pollution in our waterways. The Welsh Government, alongside the UK Government, commissioned a report into how water and water companies were being regulated in the country. And alongside a number of other findings, it recommended that Wales had its own independent water regulator focused specifically on Wales. The Welsh Government say that it's a massive opportunity to help protect Welsh people's interests in our water.
One of the key recommendations from the Commission is to create a new economic regulator for water in Wales. I can confirm that we will take this forward and we will work closely with the UK Government to enable this. Further, I believe that a dedicated standalone regulator incorporating water system planning functions is the best way to serve Wales's long-term interests.
It's a long-term plan that many see as a way of properly shoring up and protecting our water, keeping businesses to account and making sure that decisions made, anything from pollution to the cost of our bills, is made in our best interests.
Now, as members will know, in Wales we have a legislative foundation that empowers us to think long-term, act collaboratively and deliver holistically. A new regulatory system for water must make the most of that. We will move towards a more ethical, collaborative approach. This means embracing shared objectives where the environmental costs and the impacts of sustainable water management are considered alongside affordability of water bills. We will embed sustainability, fairness, health, equality and resilience into the very fabric of our water system.
In our own constituencies, I've seen so many occasions where the quality of the water is not fit for purpose. We've seen so many, issues in my own constituency last year in terms of water infrastructure. Everybody now, and certainly our constituents, are becoming well aware of how problematic this is for us. You know my view on recent statement, responses I've made. I genuinely believe that the findings of the Water Commission should form the basis of a Water Wales bill.